In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add columns on Notion. Notion is a versatile application used for notes, projects, tasks, and databases, making it an invaluable tool for organization both personally and professionally. A key feature that users often take advantage of is the ability to have information presented in columns, perfect for side-by-side comparisons or simply organizing content more effectively. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create a more visually appealing and organized layout using columns. Let's get started by opening Notion. Choose the page where you want to add your columns. If you haven't created one yet, just go ahead and make a new page by clicking the Add a Page option. It's always a good idea to give your page a name that clearly indicates what it's about for easier accessibility later on. Once your page is set, locate the area on the page where you want your columns to begin. Columns can be placed either at the top, bottom, or anywhere in between other sections of your content. To start creating columns, it's as simple as selecting the text or content block you want to use and dragging it to the side. Hover your cursor over the block until you see the 6-dotted icon, which allows you to move the block around. Click and hold this icon, and you'll be able to drag the block to the right to create a column. You'll notice a little blue line appear, indicating where the block will be placed when you release it. Adjust the position until that blue line shifts to the desired location, aligning perfectly where you want that column to start. If you want more than 2 columns, repeat the process with other content blocks. Continue adding content blocks and dragging them next to each other, and they will stack horizontally, forming additional columns. Notion doesn't currently have a hard limit on the number of columns, so you can add as many as your page design requires, within practical limits of readability. Now, let's look at some customization options. Adjusting column width is done by hovering between the columns until you see the 2 vertical lines with arrows pointing left and right. Click and drag to resize to your preference. Keep in mind that the width should balance well for easy readability across all devices, especially if you share your templates or workspaces with others. As you get the hang of arranging your content in columns, you might want to experiment with embedding different kinds of content like images, links, or databases. This vibrant layout is not only aesthetically pleasing but can drastically enhance your productivity by keeping related info side by side, reducing the need to scroll up and down the page constantly. And that's it. You'll find that using columns effectively will not only make your Notion pages look more organized but will also create a more efficient workflow for you and others who access your workspace. Play around, see what works best for your needs, and don't be afraid to make adjustments as you go. Happy organizing!